next oil is peace and calming. You guys, I absolutely, if you want to ask me what my favorite before bed oil is, like before I want to go to sleep, it's peace and calming. Now, I like to have a collection of essential oils, because maybe peace and calming won't work for me one night, and maybe lavender will. So I like to have a collection of different ones, because my mood and my body is different every single day, but for the most part, peace and calming does it for me almost every single time. I could just breathe it in and I could just whoof. I remember one night woke up in the middle of the night and my husband was awake and he couldn't sleep. He's like, "Honey, I can't sleep." And I said, "Sweetheart, breathe this in for a minute." And you guys, within a few minutes, he was asleep. So it is so amazing and it smells so good. I just love the smell. It's got patchouli in it, it has blue tansy, tangerine, and orange, and just a bunch of happy oils in it. So how do I like to use it? Most of the time what I do is I put a drop in my palm, like how we talked about topically in the videos before, and I just breathe it in over and over and over again, and I put the rest on the back of my neck and over my heart. The other thing you can do, of course, is put it in your diffuser. And it's really strong and concentrated, so you really don't need that many drops in your diffuser. I put the most 3 or 4 in my diffuser, and it does an amazing job, and you can smell it. I put it in my kids' diffuser, especially when they're really wild at night and I can't calm them down. That's the one I go to. So that's how I like to use peace and calming. You can also put it in a spritzer and just spray your pillow, your room, and just calm the atmosphere down. And if you want to feel at peace, that's the oil for you.